What's going on here, guys? I replicated. I'm just doing more experiments with Joel Legace's circuit here. The cap discharge circuit through a high voltage module, and as you can see, we're just smacking this battery with amps per second discharges, and we're consuming 1.3 watts, almost 1.4. I don't know why my current draw is so high on this. I thought the current draw was supposed to be much lower, but for some reason maybe this module is drawing a lot of current, and I'm also not sure on the exact diodes he used. I'm probably going to have to use ultra-fast high voltage switching diodes here. I used 1N5408, just what I have for messing with the transmitter kit, and my self-sustaining generator. So here's our voltage. I also have an inverter hooked up, which is not on. So, and from my experience with just this rough setup I have, like nothing's optimized yet, but as you see, we're just like spanking the battery with power from that cap dump circuit. So far from my experience, the battery charges very slowly, and you can't run the inverter. Even having the inverter on with no load will drain the battery. So I'm not sure if I'm doing something wrong, but I do have a powerful output here from the cap dump, so that's obviously working. And the neon acts as a switch. And I'm using a SCR thyristor. As you see, the neon's firing. So each time it fires a few times a second, it's dumping a high amperage pulse into the battery of like 90 volts. But yeah, just having the inverter on will cause it to slightly lose a charge. I'm not sure what I'm doing wrong. In some of his videos, he was running loads from inverters while he was still gaining a charge. So I'm not sure what he was doing, but that's very interesting. It's almost like some of us are experts in certain fields, and it's a little bit on the difficult side to replicate the stuff we're doing, like exactly. So this is me having a bit of struggles with that circuit. Like it seems to have a powerful output. The only thing I'm lacking is I didn't have a 10 microfarad capacitor at 400 volt. I had to make a 400 volt 10 microfarad capacitor. That's why it's so big. I had these RF caps. I had to put all of them in parallel to get the 10 UF. But either way, it's still 10 UF. And the idea behind this is you're using a cap dump circuit to charge your battery very quickly, and then you can run your inverter, which runs your loads. But yeah, I'm not sure why mine isn't quite working the right way. You got any tips or tricks? Let me know. I'd love to hear it. And yeah, thank you. Just heard that thing ticking away. It's kind of funny to watch too. It's like you feel almost like a pulse go through the wire. Like I can feel the wire vibrate when that happens. So yeah, maybe I'm using the wrong type of battery. It's a AGM battery. So yeah, all right.